Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your files and tools. First, back up everything to an external drive or cloud so you can restore personal data later. This avoids data loss during recovery. Next, make a recovery USB using the official ISO or vendor utility on an 8 GB or larger stick, because a clean image is required for repair. Finally, note the laptop model, serial, and product key, connect the power adapter, and suspend BitLocker. These steps prevent errors once you boot into recovery. Once done preparing, boot from the recovery USB by entering BIOS or UEFI and setting USB as the first device. Temporarily disable Secure Boot if the media won't start. Use the automated repair tool first. It's fastest and fixes common boot issues. If automatic repair fails, open Command Prompt and run chkdsk to fix disk errors, sfc/scano to repair system files, and dism to restore the image. If drivers are corrupted, reinstall them. Only proceed to a clean OS. You finish by restoring your backed up files and confirming the system boots normally. Make sure to re-enable BitLocker and Secure Boot after verifying stability, because they protect your data. Then update the OS and drivers and run manufacturer diagnostics. Replace the drive or RAM if tests report failure, since faulty hardware often mimics software corruption. If problems persist, capture exact error codes and logs. Try a different recovery, USB or ISO, and contact vendor support with those details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.